Okay, we're not trying to manipulate the club in any way like that. Okay, we're just trying to rock our shoulders back and through the shot. Okay, so what are some questions you all would have before we go into our segment here?
Do you follow the theory that it's better to get it on the ground as fast as you can as opposed to flighting it?
Yeah, that's a great question. So for chipping, the ultimate goal of chipping is to get the ball on the ground as quickly as possible. Okay, and so if that means using a 7-iron versus a pitching wedge, that's fine too, because 7-iron is going to have a little bit less loft. Now, flighting the ball, trying to get a little bit more height on the ball. Okay, that's going to come from using a pitch shot. So a chip shot is going to stay a little bit lower on the ground, but the pitch shot, that's going to get some pretty good height on it. Okay, but essentially the impact position of chipping and pitching is all going to be the same. Okay, we're always looking for, okay, in our chip shot to have that forward press moving right through impact. Okay, you're really trying to hold that angle all the way through. Okay, does that make sense, folks? That's a great question. Sound good?
Yeah.
Any other questions?
I find it true that they say it almost always breaks toward water if there's water near green.
Yes, I would say that. However, there is a hole here, like hole number 13. Okay, if you're coming from the white tee box, where any of those tee boxes really, and you're hitting the left side of the green, okay, and that pin is front right, if you're putting towards that hole, that putt is actually pretty slow. Okay, so that's an instance there where you would think if the hole's here and your ball's up here and the wire's right here, it's going to be pretty quick. Something about the drainage of the green is a little bit backwards of it, so it's actually not as quick as you think. But I would say more times than not, it's going to be towards the water. Yeah, rule of thumb, yeah. It's just kind of like mountain golf. You always want to look for their designated mountain, and every putt breaks towards that. Sound good?